The SKYSEN Pergola Bracket Kit offers enhanced stability with its improved 3-way and 4-way right-angle brackets, making it a great choice for those seeking a sturdy solution for their pergola needs. Constructed from 2.5mm thickened steel plate, this pergola kit is robust and durable, ensuring that it will withstand various weather conditions without breaking or deforming. A notable feature of this kit is its corrosion resistance, thanks to an electro-galvanized coating and additional black spray, which not only prevents rust but also maintains a glossy appearance. The inclusion of extra hook holes in the design allows for the convenient attachment of shade fabrics or decorative elements, adding both practicality and style to your pergola setup. Versatile in application, these corner brackets are suitable for use in a variety of outdoor settings, including patios, parks, and decks, offering flexibility for different installation scenarios. SKYSEN provides prompt customer service, ensuring that any inquiries are addressed within 24 hours, which enhances the overall user experience.